Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. The topic we will discuss today it is about the uses of the alkynes. That how we can use the alkynes in our daily life. Basically, when we have a simple look on the alkynes, these are the hydrocarbons, and these hydrocarbons just contain the triple bond between the two carbon atoms. So that's why they are known as the alkynes, and they are reactive as compared to this first class of the hydrocarbons, which is alkanes. And the hydrocarbons are the compounds of hydrogen and carbon. If the compounds have carbon and hydrogens, then they are known as simple hydrocarbons. So here we will discuss the uses of the alkynes. We can also use the alkynes for the preparation of the different chemicals. It is also used in our daily life for the production of the many synthetic products. Along with that, this is also used for the preparation of the chemicals or the ripening of the different fruits. So let's have a look or discuss these uses one by one. First one use we have acetylene produces oxyacetylene flame with oxygen. When it reacts with the oxygen, it produces a flame which is known as the oxyacetylene flame, and this is the production of the flame. In this picture, you can see that when it reacts with the oxygen, it produces the blue colored flame. And this reaction is highly exothermic. Exothermic mean here the heat will be released, and when the heat is released in any reaction or energy is released, this reaction is known as the exothermic. The word exo just denote the exit. So the heat is released, it is used for the welding purpose. So this flame can be used for the welding purpose. When the heat is released, it just melts out the metal, and we can easily weld that metal's surface with the use of oxyacetylene flame. Then we have its second use, which is acetylene. It is used to prepare other chemicals, and these chemicals are alcohols. So alcohols have their simple formula, which is alkyl group and the hydroxyl group. These are known as the alcohols. It is also produced for the production of the acetaldehyde, which is the simple aldehydes in which the two carbon atoms have one carbon is having hydroxyl group along with one hydrogen, and on one side it just have the simple alkyl group. So these are the alcohols, these are the aldehydes, and it was also used for the preparation of the acids. So the acid we can prepare from it, it is oxalic acid. It can also prepared by its simple oxidation. When we have the alkynes and they go undergo just oxidation, and the oxidation will be done with the help of KMnO4, then we just gain the product which is known as the oxalic acid, and its formula we have COOH twice. So this is its second use. It is used to preparation of different chemicals at commercial level or at industrial level. The third one use for this we have it is used for the ripening of the fruit. So in this picture you guys can see here we have the spotless yellow skin of this banana, and its stalk is green in color. This is chemically ripened. So when we use any chemical or we use the acetylene, so we can also have the artificial ripening of the fruits. And the second one, here we have the natural ripened, in which the stalk is black and there are brown spots on the banana. So this is the difference when we just use the different chemicals for the ripening of the fruit. So here we can use the alkynes. Fourth one we have it is used for the manufacturing of the polymer products. So the polymer products are the products when the simple monomers are combined, and after their combination they form the long chains of the compounds. When long chains of the compounds are formed, these are known as the polymers, and examples we have polyvinyl chloride, which is known as PVC. we have polyvinyl acetate and the synthetic rubber like neoprene. So all these products are here. You can see that these are the PVC polyvinyl chlorides or polyvinyl acetate products. Here, this is the simple pipe which is used for the transfer of the water from one area to the other, and this is the simple nylon. You can see it is made up of different polymers in which we can use the different compounds of the alkynes. So this is the fourth one use of the alkynes we have. After that we have is fifth one use in which it is used or it is polymerized. Polymerized mean its different monomers are combined and we gain the product which is known as the benzene. And now benzene is just used as a raw material to form the variety of the organic compounds. Here you can see that this is we have the first one or the number one ethine, this is the second ethine, and this is the third ethine. So here we have three monomers or three mers of the alkynes. They combine in the presence of red hot iron tune and the temperature is 873 Kelvin and we gain the product which is known as benzene. Its molecular formula is C6H6. We can also show the double bond with the help of a circle in the hexagonal ring. So this is the simple production of the benzene. So its different monomers will be polymerized. Poly means many. So many mers combined and they will be changes into the main product which is the benzene. Now this benzene can be used for the production of the different organic compounds. For example, it is used for the production of the phenol by the attachment of the hydroxyl group over there. So all these are simple uses of the alkynes. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section. And the next topic we will discuss introduction to the biochemistry. So we will start the new chapter. Bios mean basically life, and chemistry mean all the reactions that are taking place around us or in the living organisms. So for that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.